You're at the airport and you realize your cell phone is almost dead. There's a charging station right there, so you can be charged up before your flight. Now the FBI has issued a warning not to plug into those convenient charging stations. They say hackers can gain access to your data, your contacts, your passwords, and can even lock you out of your phone. Let's take a closer look.
According to the warning, using a public USB station can expose your device to malicious software, expose your personal information to cybercriminals, could allow hackers to lock you out of your device, could give hackers access to your texts, email, photos, contacts, passwords. Pretty scary stuff. But there are some easy steps you can take to protect yourself if you need to charge up while you're traveling. You can use a portable charger with your own USB cable, plug your phone into your laptop, or plug directly into an electric outlet. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry.